and welcome to our video on the Hawthorne effect. In this video, we'll look at the definition, history, and importance of the Hawthorne effect. The Hawthorne effect is a phenomenon in which individuals modify their behavior or performance in response to being observed. The term was carried out after a series of experiments conducted at the Hawthorne Works factory in Illinois, USA, in the 1920s and 1930s. The initial goal of these tests were originally designed to investigate the relationship between lighting conditions and worker productivity. However, researchers discovered that worker productivity improved whether lighting levels were raised or lowered. This unexpected finding was attributed to the Hawthorne effect, the idea that the workers' behavior was being influenced by the fact that they were being observed and studied. Since then, the Hawthorne effect has been used in numerous academic disciplines, such as psychology, sociology, and business management. It has been observed in a variety of locations, including schools, hospitals, and workplaces. The Hawthorne effect is thought to emphasize the significance of social context and interpersonal connections in determining behavior, according to one interpretation. People may modify their behavior in response to social cues, such as the presence of an authority figure or the expectations of others. Another interpretation of the Hawthorne effect is that it may introduce bias into research studies. If participants in a study are aware that they are being observed, they may alter their behavior in a way that does not reflect their natural behavior. This can make it difficult for researchers to draw accurate conclusions from their data. In conclusion, the Hawthorne effect is a phenomenon in which individuals modify their behavior or performance in response to being observed. Its origins can be traced back to a series of experiments conducted at the Hawthorne Works factory in the 1920s and 1930s. The Hawthorne effect has since been applied to various fields of study and highlights the importance of social context and interpersonal relationships in shaping behavior. However, it also introduces bias into research studies and can make it difficult for researchers to draw accurate conclusions from their data. Thank you for watching the video.